They're pushing that left side. As long as you can cover my right, I'll try and take care of these guys. How many times do I have to shoot you? Maybe. I don't know if he... No, there is still a guy.
Really? You've got to be fucking shitting me. There's absolutely no way I'm not hitting that bitch.